Hi everyone, my name's Simon and welcome to another episode of the Maserati Guy. Today we're taking a look at the GranTurismo, and a particular issue that I find with my garage here is that there seems to be a lot of debris in the air, a lot of dust and small particulates which tend to settle on the car. And I think this is probably due to the construction of the garage, hewn from the rock. So I'm guessing that's dust that's created by the garage, and it tends to deposit on the surface of the car if you leave it for any length of time standing in the garage. So what I have purchased is an indoor car cover for the Maserati from Maserati itself, so it should fit perfectly, and I'm going to be using that as my protection for the car when it's not being used. So I thought we could do an unboxing. I'm going to give the car a bit of a clean and then we'll put it on and see what it looks like. That's the car cover. Comes in a rather nice bag. That's the one for the GranTurismo Sport. So not sure if there are any instructions with it. It looks nice. It's got a kind of velour kind of inside, and kind of nylon on the outside. So we'll get the car cleaned and we'll pop it away and then we'll try the cover. That's all done. It's always really hard work. So I'm just going to take it for a quick spin to spin off some of the remaining water from the wheels and just blow away some of the drips I can't get to. And then when I come back, we can test fit the cover, see how it works. So I've never put one of these covers on before, so I have no idea what I'm doing, just putting that out there. So here it is. I have no idea which is the front, which is the back. I don't want to put it on the ground, but I'm going to put it on the bonnet just to see if I can work out which end is which. That is actually pretty cool. How about that? Let's take a look round. That is pretty cool. Look, we get a Maserati badge on the front. GranTurismo Sport there. Little pockets for the mirrors. Little vents on the side. logo on the side where it would be. The name at the back where it would be. Very cool. That's excellent. And it will certainly keep the dust off and keep the paintwork looking smart. How do you think we should take this off? Any ideas? Maybe fold it into the middle and then kind of roll it up that way. It's probably the best option, isn't it? Any ideas? Let me know in the comments, because I'm not a clue what I'm doing. So. Kind of works. So there we go. Okay, so now we're going to go inside and look at the other item that I ordered at the same time as the car cover. I want to do a little unwrapping of that and show you some of the contents, because it's quite an interesting purchase. So let's head inside now. So this is the other item that I ordered at the same time. A beautiful official book celebrating the 100-year centenary, obviously, of Maserati. Beautiful coffee table style heavy book. Maserati, a century of history. History of a company, style and technology. The racing trident. Some great pictures I can see. The first 100 years. The Maseratis before Maserati. Just flicking through to some of the later pages. Formula One, the glorious 50s. Wow. Beautiful. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've enjoyed me wrestling with the car cover. I hope you enjoyed the Maserati 100-year anniversary book. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to give the like a click. Don't forget to subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram at Maserati Guy 2017, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.